peregrine falcon holds the title for the fastest animal in the world, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour, during its hunting dives. The mantis shrimp has one of the most complex visual systems in the animal kingdom, with 16 color-receptive cones compared to the 3 in humans. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward and hover in midair. The polar bear has black skin, which helps it absorb and retain heat from the sun while its fur appears white. The octopus has the ability to change its skin color and texture to blend with its surroundings, making it a master of camouflage. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, has traveled the farthest of any human-made object and is currently in interstellar space. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter, a massive storm, has been observed for more than 300 years and is larger than the Earth. The Curiosity rover, part of NASA's Mars Science Laboratory mission, has been exploring the surface of Mars since 2012, providing valuable data about the planet's geology and potential for past habitability. The concept of black holes, regions in space with extremely strong gravitational forces, was first proposed by physicist John Michell in 1783, and later developed by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. The Apollo 8 mission in 1968 was the first crewed spacecraft to orbit the Moon, paving the way for future lunar missions. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century, brought about significant changes in agriculture, manufacturing, mining, transportation, and technology, leading to the modernization of societies. The Renaissance, a period of cultural and intellectual flourishing in Europe, witnessed advancements in art, science, literature, and philosophy, with prominent figures like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. The abolitionist movement in the 19th century fought against slavery and played a crucial role in ending the transatlantic slave trade and promoting equal rights for all individuals. The women's suffrage movement fought for women's right to vote, leading to significant milestones such as the Seneca Falls Convention in 1848 and the eventual granting of suffrage in various countries. The Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962 was a tense standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union, bringing the world to the brink of nuclear war before a peaceful resolution was reached. The pistol shrimp has a unique ability to create a cavitation bubble with its claw, which generates a shockwave that can stun or kill its prey. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration of any bird, traveling from its breeding grounds in the Arctic to its wintering grounds in Antarctica and back, covering a distance of over 44,000 miles, 70,900 kilometers, per year. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, has the remarkable ability to regenerate its limbs, spinal cord, heart, and other organs. The bombardier beetle has a defense mechanism where it can produce and spray a hot, toxic chemical mixture from its abdomen when threatened. The archerfish has the ability to shoot down insects by spitting a stream of water with remarkable accuracy. The Mars rover's Spirit and Opportunity, launched in 2003, were designed to operate for 90 days, but exceeded expectations and operated for over 6 years, providing valuable data about the Martian surface. The Cassini-Huygens mission, a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency, explored the Saturn system for over 13 years and discovered new moons, analyzed the rings, and landed a probe on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. The New Horizons spacecraft, launched in 2006, conducted a flyby of Pluto in 2015, providing the first detailed images and data of the dwarf planet and its moons. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, is the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope and is expected to revolutionize our understanding of the early universe, exoplanets, and the formation of stars and galaxies. The space probe Voyager 2, launched in 1977, has visited all 4 outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and is currently the only spacecraft to have reached the outer edges of our solar system. The American Civil Rights Movement, which spanned the 1950s and 1960s, aimed to end racial segregation and discrimination against African Americans, leading to landmark legislation such as the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965. The Renaissance period saw the invention of the telescope by Galileo Galilei, which revolutionized our understanding of astronomy and challenged existing beliefs about the structure of the universe. The Industrial Revolution gave rise to significant technological advancements, including the invention of the steam engine by James Watt, which played a crucial role in powering factories, transportation, and the expansion of railways. The signing of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948 established a set of fundamental human rights that should be protected worldwide. The Cuban Revolution, led by Fidel Castro, overthrew the U.S.-backed dictator Fulgencio Batista in 1959 and resulted in the establishment of a socialist government in Cuba.